Hey guys, Nick Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2021 Kubota LX2610. This 2610 is 2021, like I stated. Sold new 10/26/21. Has powertrain warranty until 10/25 of 2027. It is cab, heat, air, hydro, R14 tires. It has front auxiliary hydraulics on the front, skid steer quick attach. The bucket is brand new. Packing labels you can see are still on it. It has 180 hours on this tractor, and I will stand here and say it is as clean as a new tractor. I don't know where the guy got the hours on it because it doesn't show it at all. The thing is meticulous. It has wheel spacers on the rear. It has a complete 3-point hitch kit for it. Everything is there, including top link. And on the back of this tractor, I happened to get this in a couple weeks ago. This tractor came in, and I decided to put this backhoe on it. This is a 2022 Kubota BH77 backhoe attachment, the correct backhoe attachment for this tractor. It's got a 16-inch bucket with a thumb. It has the extended subframe kit for the cab tractor. I had here the brand new seat, the post, everything for it to make it 100% correct. The backhoe has less than 20 hours on it, if that. Beautiful package. This is something that everybody wants. The problem is right here, $11,000, okay? Plus the cost of the tractor. Very expensive setup here, and you are buying the complete package. I will not separate the backhoe off. I put it on this tractor because this is such a nice tractor. You deserve to have such a nice backhoe package. Somebody will really enjoy this setup. Very, very nice piece. And understand, it is complete and ready to go to work. We just did a full service. We changed all the filters on this tractor. Everything is changed and ready to go. Great, bring them on in. We're going to take you here. We're going to walk you around this tractor. Let's stay on this side. We're going to open up the hood here. We're going to show you under the hood. Under the hood is going to be powered by a non-emissions Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent, no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature whatsoever. Again, this has no DPF, no anything, and you can see how clean that is. Powered by a D1305 3-cylinder diesel engine. I'll hand that back to you, bud. Today's video is brought to you by Braden, my 11-year-old son. He's helping us do videos now. Up front, 60-inch bucket. It is absolutely a brand new bucket. You can still see packing labels. Everything is on it. Guy never used the bucket for some reason. The paint on the hood is absolutely beautiful. It's not scratched, dinged, dented, meticulously maintained. It was kept inside. The loader itself shows the same. Absolutely beautiful. R14 tires still have the little tits on them. 2-inch wheel spacers. Coming here to the back, again, very nice. BH77 is a 22 model, and the BH77 does have the thumb. It's a stiff mount arm thumb, which is adjustable. 16-inch bucket. All the safety pins and latches are there. And again, this did take what's called an extended subframe kit, which is basically a spacer that moves this out to make this work. Okay, very, very nice. Tractor does have LED lights front and back. We're going to do the other side. It does have the rear defroster kit. It does have the rear wiper kit. We're going to open up the cab. Coming in the cab, first thing right off the gate, right here is going to be your auxiliary hydraulics plumbed to the front, which Braden, we showed him that up there. We're going to have low, medium, and high ranges. You have your selection of PTO, your PTO in and out. Very nice Kubota suspension seat with the armrest package, and it is adjustable. 4-wheel drive in and out, cruise control. You're going to have up and down for your 3-point brakes. It is radio ready. Tilt wheel. I'll go ahead and turn that on, or turn the dash on for you. 181.8 hours. You can see there, everything works. Everything's labeled, 4-ways turn signals. You got your high, low over here, everything's there. You got your cab, heat, air, vents. You got your speakers already in it for radio. You got your dome light. Just an absolutely clean tractor. I turn this back over to Braden. I'm going to go ahead, fire the tractor back up. I'm going to run it around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. everything in this tractor. There's almost $11,000 backhoe hanging on the back of it. You've got your full 3-point hitch. There's almost a $2,000, $1,800 front auxiliary hydraulic kit on this tractor that's done. So this tractor, R14 tires. This tractor is set up extremely well. It has everything that a guy would want. It's got wheel spacers already on the rear. It's just a really, really nice tractor. 180 hours, meticulously taken care of. I do have books and manuals here for it. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please give us a call. We'll gladly help you. Check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Please have a great day.